Hello students, in this video we will learn product life cycle. Product life cycle. The term product life cycle refers to the length of time a product is introduced to consumer into the market until it's removed from the shelves or disappeared from the market. The life cycle of a product is broken into 4 stages: introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. This concept is used by management and by marketing professionals as a factor in deciding when it is appropriate to increase advertising, reduce prices, expand to new markets, or redesigning packaging. The process of strategies, ways to continuously support and maintain a product is called product life cycle management. The product life cycle is the process a product goes through from when it is first introduced into the market until it declines or is removed from the market. So there are these 4 stages in the product life cycle. First one is introduction, then second one is growth, third one is maturity, and fourth one is decline. So let me talk about the first stage, and it is introduction. Once a product has been developed, the first stage is to introduction stage. In this stage, product is being released into the market. When a new product is released, it is often a high stake time in the product life cycle, although it does not necessarily make or break the product eventual success. During the introduction stage, marketing and promotions are at high, and the company often invests the most in promoting the product and getting into the hands of consumer. In this stage, company is first able to get sense of how consumer respond to the product, if they like it, and how successful it may be. However, it is also often a heavy spending period for the company, with no guarantee that the product will pay for itself through sale. Costs are generally very high, and there is typically little competition. The principal goals of the introduction stage are to build demand for the product and get it into the hands of consumer. Then second stage is growth stage. Second stage is growth stage of product life cycle. By the growth stage, consumers are already taking to the product and increasingly buying it. The product concept is proven and is becoming more popular, and sales are increasing. Other companies become aware of the product and its pace in the market, which is beginning to draw attention and increasingly pull in revenue. If competition for the product is especially high, the company may still heavily invest in advertisement and promotion activity of the product to beat out competitors. As a result of the product growing, the market itself tend to expand. The product in the growth stage is typically a phase where the functions and features are improved by the innovation of a product. As the market expands, more competition often drives price down to make the specific product competitive. However, sales are usually increasing in this stage and generating revenue for the firm. Then third stage of product life cycle is maturity. When product reaches maturity, its sales tend to slow or even reach on the top and even it stop. It is largely saturated market. At this point, sales can even start to drop. Pricing at this maturity stage can tend to get competitive. Prices begin falling due to the weight of outside pressure like competition and lower demand. Marketing at this point is targeted at defending of competition, and companies will often develop new or alter product to reach different market segments. In this stage, saturation is reached and sales volume is maxed out. Companies often begin innovation to maintain or increase their market shares, changing or developing their product to meet with new demographic or developing technologies. The maturity stage lasts a long time or a short time depending on the product. For some brands, maturity stage drawn out, likely Coca-Cola company, Titan watch, etc. Then next, fourth stage of product life cycle is decline. Although companies will generally attempt to keep the product alive in the maturity stage as long as possible, decline for every product is inevitable. In the decline stage, product sales drop significantly and consumer behavior changes as there is less demand for the product. The company's product lose more and more market share, and competition tends to cause sales decline in this stage. So this way we can explain product life cycle, as humans also go through the various stages of life, such as child life, youth life, and then senior citizen life or aged life. This way, products also goes through the different phases, different stages, and we can't say that for how much year company lives in a specific stage, specific years. It's totally depending upon the company's strategies, company's marketing mix.